Welcome back to Sci-losophy, the channel where science and philosophy collide. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's both intriguing and mind-boggling: chaos theory. So buckle up as we explore the intricate world of chaos and its impact on our lives. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our thought-provoking content. Let's go! Chaos theory, often referred to as the butterfly effect, emerged as a groundbreaking concept in the world of science. Initially introduced by mathematician and meteorologist Edward Lorenz in the 1960s, it's become a cornerstone in understanding complex systems. Chaos theory delves into the intricate dynamics of systems that are sensitive to initial conditions. Picture this: every system, from weather patterns to financial markets, can be compared to a delicate dance where the tiniest initial nudge can lead to vast and unpredictable outcomes. In simpler terms, chaos theory investigates the butterfly effect, where a small event, like the flutter of a butterfly's wings in Brazil, can trigger a sequence of events that escalates into something significant, perhaps even a tornado in Texas. This highlights the interconnectedness of seemingly unrelated events and emphasizes the sensitivity of dynamic systems to their starting conditions. To grasp the essence of chaos theory, think of it as dropping a pebble into a pond. The initial ripple may seem insignificant, but it sets off a cascade of effects that can create complex and beautiful patterns on the water's surface. In the realm of chaos, these patterns represent the unpredictable outcomes arising from small changes in initial conditions. The butterfly effect serves as a metaphor for this phenomenon, illustrating how the flap of wings in one part of the world can influence the weather in another. A captivating illustration of chaos at play on a global scale. Now let's broaden our perspective. Chaos theory transcends its origins in meteorology and weather prediction. It's a lens through which we can analyze a multitude of phenomena in our daily lives. Take the stock market, for example, a seemingly chaotic environment where prices fluctuate seemingly without rhyme or reason. However, beneath this apparent chaos lie mathematical principles rooted in chaos theory. While it might seem counterintuitive to use chaos theory, a principle rooted in unpredictability. To make money, some financial experts and traders employ certain strategies inspired by this concept. One approach is to recognize and capitalize on patterns emerging from seemingly chaotic market fluctuations. Traders utilizing chaos theory might identify subtle indicators or fractal patterns within the market data, enabling them to make more informed decisions. Additionally, embracing the inherent uncertainty, some investors employ a diversified portfolio strategy, acknowledging that markets are dynamic and subject to unforeseen events. By acknowledging the interconnectedness of various economic factors, traders can adapt their strategies in response to changing conditions. It's important to note that while chaos theory-inspired strategies may offer insights, the financial markets remain inherently unpredictable, and caution should be exercised to manage risks effectively. The interactions of countless variables create a dynamic system, and understanding the underlying patterns can provide valuable insights for investors. But chaos theory isn't confined to financial markets alone. Consider traffic patterns, another intricate system that seems to defy predictability. By applying chaos theory, researchers can discern underlying order in seemingly chaotic traffic flows. This understanding contributes to the development of more efficient traffic management systems, optimizing the movement of vehicles on our roads. Moving beyond human-made systems, let's explore ecosystems. Nature, with its seemingly chaotic interplay of species and environmental factors, also follows the principles of chaos theory. This helps ecologists comprehend the complexity of ecosystems and aids in predicting how changes in one element can resonate throughout the entire system. Now consider our own bodies, the very essence of complexity. Even our heartbeats, which may seem rhythmic and predictable, exhibit chaotic behavior. Chaos theory allows scientists to decipher the irregularities in heart rhythms and develop insights into cardiovascular health, showcasing the wide-ranging applicability of chaos theory in understanding and managing various aspects of our lives. So in essence, chaos theory isn't just a niche concept for weather enthusiasts. It's a universal tool that unravels the mysteries of dynamic systems all around us. From financial markets to traffic patterns and the beating of our own hearts, chaos theory serves as a guiding light, illuminating the underlying order within apparent chaos. The butterfly effect, a symbol of this theory, continues to remind us of the profound interconnectedness that shapes our world in ways we might never have imagined.